Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here. This is Rush Street Interactive, ticker RSI. And we had some buyers rushing into RSI today. It had a nice green day despite the red day in the market, and it continues to print a bit of a high handle here. You can see how this stock has been in a well-defined uptrend above all the key moving averages. It got slammed, looks like after earnings, back down to the 200-day moving average. It fixed itself, and the uptrend continued. They then had another earnings report, and it looks like blowout volume that has held the stock up high above all its key moving averages here. Every dip down to the 8-day EMA continues to be bought, and so I'd look for some follow-through and upside momentum on RSI with a move through $20.35. So I would have an alert here on RSI at $20.35 and look for a move above coming on volume. That's just one of many stocks we're checking out tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you next time.